Your trash might just be the treasure your body has been begging for. Think that banana peel belongs in the bin? Think again. It might do more for your skin than your $80 moisturizer. And that leftover coffee? It's not just a wake-up call for your brain. It could be the missing link to stronger hair and smoother thighs. Oh, and butter? Not just for pancakes. Some people are rubbing it on their feet for deeper sleep, and yes, there's a strange logic behind it. These odd, kitchen-born rituals sound ridiculous until you try them. In a world obsessed with products and pills, these forgotten, do-it-yourself remedies are quietly turning heads and transforming lives. What's even stranger, they actually work. We're peeling back the layers, literally, to uncover how banana peels, coffee grounds, and yes, even butter, are rewriting the rules of health and beauty. Ready for a little weirdness that actually works? Let's go. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where nature's forgotten secrets meet everyday solutions. Today we're peeling back the layers literally on 3 things you probably have in your kitchen right now: banana peels, coffee grounds, and butter. Strange as it sounds, these everyday items are being used in ways that go far beyond food, and the results, especially for natural beauty and wellness, are kind of mind-blowing. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how a banana peel can brighten your skin, fade blemishes, and even soften fine lines. No harsh chemicals, no expensive creams. You'll learn how coffee grounds can gently exfoliate your face, tighten your skin, and boost circulation for that natural glow. And butter? It's doing more than you think, from deeply moisturizing cracked heels to soothing dry patches the natural way. But we're not stopping there. We'll also show you powerful combinations like coffee and banana peel for dark circles, or butter and grounds for baby smooth elbows. These aren't random kitchen hacks, they're simple rituals with roots in traditional practices and backed by natural science. So if you're tired of overloaded ingredient lists, artificial formulas, and overpriced promises, this video is your reminder that beauty and wellness might just be hiding in the most unexpected places. Stay with us until the end, because the final ritual will reveal blends all 3 ingredients, and the effect on your skin will be nothing short of shocking. Let's get started. Let's start with something you've probably thrown away without a second thought: the banana peel. Most people eat the fruit and toss the skin, not realizing that this so-called waste might actually be one of the most powerful natural beauty tools hiding in plain sight. The inside of a ripe banana peel is rich in antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins A, B, C, and E, all of which are known to nourish and protect the skin. One of the simplest rituals is to gently rub the inner side of the peel over clean skin in slow, circular motions. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Done regularly, this can help brighten dull skin, even out skin tone, and promote a natural, healthy glow, without the sting of chemical exfoliants. Dealing with breakouts or redness, the anti-inflammatory properties of banana peel can help calm the skin. It contains lutein and zinc, both of which are known for their skin-soothing and healing qualities. Applying banana peel to acne-prone areas reduces irritation, minimizes swelling, and supports the skin's natural repair process. Many who've tried this say it works best when used consistently at night as a gentle spot treatment. If you've had a rough night or just deal with naturally puffy eyes, the banana peel might surprise you. The potassium and antioxidants in the peel help reduce fluid retention and brighten dark areas under the eyes. Simply cut a piece of the peel and place it under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. You can even chill the peel beforehand for added depuffing effect. It's a natural, gentle alternative to expensive under-eye creams loaded with synthetic ingredients. The natural texture of the peel makes it a mild exfoliator. When rubbed gently on the skin, it helps slough off dead cells without causing micro-tears. This is especially helpful for people with sensitive skin who want to maintain smooth texture without the use of abrasive scrubs. Some users even mix mashed banana peel with oats or honey to create a nourishing DIY exfoliating mask. Though not a quick fix, many natural wellness communities swear by banana peel's ability to gradually fade small scars and even help in removing warts. This is thanks to the peel's enzymes and natural acids that work slowly to soften rough patches and support skin regeneration. Just tape a small piece of the peel, inner side down, over the affected area overnight and repeat daily. While results vary, it's a chemical-free approach worth trying. What makes banana peel truly special is that it's both effective and accessible. No harsh preservatives, no unpronounceable ingredients, just a simple, biodegradable skincare ally straight from nature. And the best part? You're repurposing what would normally be waste, giving your skin and the planet a little love at the same time. You probably start your morning with a cup of coffee, but what if the leftover grounds could do more than energize your body? What if they could refresh your skin, revive your scalp, and transform your natural beauty routine? Coffee grounds may look like waste, but they're packed with nutrients and compounds that can work wonders when applied topically. Let's explore how this underestimated kitchen scrap can become your go-to beauty essential. Coffee grounds are an excellent natural exfoliant. Their gritty texture helps slough off dead skin cells without damaging the surface of the skin. When used regularly, a simple coffee scrub can unclog pores, reduce buildup, and leave your skin feeling soft and renewed. Mix a tablespoon of used coffee grounds with a little olive oil or honey, and massage gently into your face or body in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly, and you'll notice an instant brightness, no harsh chemicals needed. Here's where things get even more interesting. Caffeine, the key active compound in coffee, has been shown to temporarily tighten skin and reduce the appearance of cellulite. When applied topically, it improves circulation and dehydrates fat cells, giving the skin a smoother look. Mix coffee grounds with coconut oil and massage into thighs, arms, or abdomen in a firm circular motion. This ritual not only promotes lymphatic drainage but also exfoliates and nourishes the skin simultaneously. Do this a few times a week, and many report visible changes over time. Hair feeling thin or lifeless, your scalp might need a wake-up call, literally. Coffee grounds can be used as a pre-shampoo scalp scrub. The caffeine stimulates blood flow to the follicles, potentially supporting stronger, healthier hair growth. It also removes product buildup and dead skin from the scalp, creating a clean foundation for new growth. Gently massage damp coffee grounds into your scalp for a few minutes, rinse well, and follow with your regular shampoo. It's a simple ritual that many swear by. After chopping onions or garlic, washing your hands sometimes just doesn't cut it. That's where coffee grounds come in. Their strong aroma and absorbent nature make them perfect for neutralizing lingering smells. Just rub a small handful of wet coffee grounds on your hands, then rinse. No perfumes or chemicals needed. Dry, flaky lips? A tiny pinch of coffee grounds mixed with a drop of coconut oil makes a quick and effective lip scrub. Massage gently and rinse for a smooth, plump pout ready for balm or gloss. From your morning brew to your evening skincare, coffee grounds are one of the most overlooked tools for natural beauty. They're rich in antioxidants, eco-friendly, and incredibly versatile. So next time you make coffee, think twice before tossing those grounds. They might be the natural upgrade your self-care ritual has been waiting for. Butter has long been associated with indulgent foods and comfort cooking, but in many traditional cultures it's also been used as a natural remedy for skin nourishment and body care. When we talk about butter in wellness rituals, we're referring to pure, unsalted butter and more commonly clarified butter or ghee, a staple in Ayurvedic healing. It's rich in healthy fats, vitamins A and E, and powerful moisturizing properties that your skin will thank you for. One of the oldest uses of butter is as a salve for dry, cracked skin. Applied to rough heels, elbows, or dry cuticles, butter works as an intensive moisturizer. The fats penetrate deeply into the skin, creating a natural barrier that locks in hydration. For best results, apply a thin layer of butter or ghee on your feet at night, cover with socks, and wake up to noticeably softer soles. This one might sound odd, but many people swear by rubbing a small amount of ghee or softened butter on the soles of the feet to promote relaxation. This practice, rooted in Ayurveda, is believed to calm the nervous system and help the body wind down. Some say it enhances deep sleep, especially when paired with warm socks and a quiet bedtime routine. It's a gentle, natural alternative to sleep aids, and surprisingly soothing. Butter's rich texture makes it an effective natural cleanser. It easily melts away stubborn makeup, dirt, and impurities without stripping the skin's protective oils. Massage a small amount into dry skin, wipe off with a warm, damp cloth, and follow with your regular cleanser. This double cleansing method is particularly beneficial for those with sensitive or dry skin. Pure butter can be a lifesaver in cold weather. Just a dab on chapped lips or rough hands provides immediate relief and long-lasting softness. It's chemical-free, fragrance-free, and works faster than most store-bought balms. Butter, especially in its clarified form, isn't just a kitchen ingredient, it's a time-tested natural remedy for skin wellness. When used properly, it can offer simple, nourishing care for the parts of your body that need it most, without relying on synthetic ingredients or harsh treatments. Each of these ingredients, banana peel, coffee grounds, and butter, offers unique benefits on its own. But when combined thoughtfully, they create powerful natural rituals that target common beauty and wellness concerns in ways that feel luxurious, nourishing, and surprisingly effective. Struggling with dark circles and puffiness? Try this blend. Mash a small piece of banana peel and mix with a pinch of used coffee grounds. Gently dab the mixture under your eyes, let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse. The potassium from the banana peel reduces puffiness, while the caffeine in coffee improves circulation, making your under-eye area look refreshed and awake. For rough elbows, knees, or dry hands, mix a tablespoon of softened butter with a teaspoon of coffee grounds. Massage this rich scrub into your skin to exfoliate dead cells while deeply moisturizing at the same time. The combination leaves skin feeling silky smooth and naturally glowing, no lotion needed afterward. To repair cracked heels or dry feet, rub a thin layer of butter on your soles, then wrap each foot in a banana peel, with the inner side touching the skin. Put on a pair of socks to keep everything in place and sleep overnight. The butter nourishes while the banana peel soothes and hydrates. Wake up to feet that feel baby soft. These rituals might sound like old wives' tales or just plain odd, but there's a reason people keep coming back to them. Beneath their simplicity lies a quiet kind of brilliance. Each ingredient holds real power when it comes to natural beauty and wellness. Banana peels are more than fruit wrappers. They're rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and skin-loving nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. These help soothe inflammation, reduce blemishes, and gently brighten the skin, all without harsh chemicals. Coffee grounds do more than wake you up. Their gritty texture makes them a perfect exfoliant, while caffeine boosts circulation, tightens skin, and supports natural detox through gentle massage. It's skincare and self-care wrapped into one earthy ritual. Butter, especially ghee, isn't just food for the body, it's food for your skin. With its deep moisturizing fats and calming effect on the nervous system, it's been used for centuries to soften, heal, and relax, especially when applied at night. Together, these humble ingredients create a kind of alchemy. No branding, no fancy packaging, just nature doing what it's always done. And the best part? It's all accessible, affordable, and refreshingly simple. Sometimes the weirdest things turn out to be the most wonderful. So there you have it, banana peels, coffee grounds, and butter. 3 things you've probably thrown away or overlooked, now revealed as some of the most powerful allies in your natural beauty and wellness routine. These aren't gimmicks. They're simple, time-tested rituals that nourish, restore, and bring out the best in your skin and body, without costing you a fortune or exposing you to harsh chemicals. We hope today's video has inspired you to see your kitchen in a whole new way. The next time you make coffee, slice a banana, or spread butter on toast, take a moment to remember the hidden potential right at your fingertips. Now we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these rituals before? Which one are you most curious to try tonight? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found value in today's video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next time we dig up something unexpected that could transform your everyday health and beauty routine. Until next time, keep it natural, keep it simple, and keep discovering with infinite infotainment.